Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Do you want to create AI videos from scratch in a matter of minutes, not hours? Well, that's exactly what HeyGen is for. And today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create your HeyGen account, customize your own AI avatar. You can even use it on your face to create an AI clone really quickly. So the first step is to create our account. And the first thing I want you to do is to scroll down and press the link in the description below. It'll take you to this website, and all you're going to do is press Get Started for free right here, which you can sign in using Google, using Apple, or you can enter your own email. So here I go. I've just created my account in literally a matter of seconds. I use my Apple account, and it takes you instantly to the different tiers that we have. You get the free tier for $0, obviously. You can create up to 3 videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes, and you get only 720p export. Now, starting creator, you get unlimited videos, 1080p video, 4K on the team account, and enterprise is tailored to your own business needs. Here we are. This is the sort of home base for HeyGen, and the first step that everybody sort of opts to do is to choose an avatar. Avatar basically is whatever you want to embody yourself as. Now, there's a bunch of options on HeyGen. You can use your own individual face using a photo, and if you do that,
Avatar 4 allows you to turn a single photo and
exactly, it can turn your face into
a talking video with full body and background motion.
There you go. Now, some people opt for something like that. Other people can opt for the ready-made avatars that are right here. So if you choose one of those ready-made avatars, now, if you opt for an actual avatar that you create of yourself, you can absolutely do that. There are a certain level of steps, which is basically submitting a 2 to 5 minute, at least 30 seconds of footage of yourself that is well lit in a professional environment. You can speak naturally, maintain a steady pace, and then do an expressive natural motion. Next option that we have is a photo avatar, which is sort of an anime style, Pixar style animated photo of you, which you can upload and then it can recreate off of the photo that you uploaded, or we can design it with AI. All right, now, what do you want the orientation to be? Do you want it to be portrait or landscape? Let's keep it portrait. Upper body. The style, I want the style to be cyberpunk, why not? And then we can generate a preview. So it took, I think, about 30 seconds or so. You can see the cyberpunk background, and I will go with this guy right here, this guy, why not? And then we can save. So that's the avatar that we've created. So sort of that's the main guy in our videos. He's going to be the protagonist in whatever type of content that we want to generate using AI. That's our face for now. And you can generate a bunch more. And as you can see, the quota, we still haven't hit quota, so it's 3 out of 3 videos. Let's see if we can include Joe in something like that. So as far as voice, you can either add a voice for Joe, using your own voice, using the HeyGen library, or you can design a voice using prompts. So let's choose a voice for Joe.
Hey there, here's how I sound.
There's the voice, okay, that we chose. Now we're back here at the title screen. You can create a quick avatar video. So can we choose our own avatar instead of the ready-made ones? Yes, there we go. That's our Joe. Next, we want to add script. Welcome to a brand new video. Today, we're exploring, okay, motion. Very open and very welcoming and helpful. All right, using the avatar. Now, let's see. Let's generate video. Come on, Joe, show us what you got. It's been about a minute or so, and I haven't seen the product yet, so we're about to watch it together. Oh, come on, Joe.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're exploring HeyGen.
I like it. What is this? This is kind of insane. I love that. All right, wonderful. Let's move on to the next step. So a great new option that you have, because maybe there's an enterprise option, maybe as an entire company, you want to, create videos together and have this collaboration thing. So you can add comments right here. And if you press comment, people on your team are going to be able to see these. Let's make this intro longer. So that's definitely an option. You can translate it into a different language. You can choose target language, change that. These are the comments. Or you can create captions. So if we create captions, you can also choose the style of the caption and what type of placement you want right here. So let's see.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're exploring HeyGen.
That's just absolutely wonderful. And I want to go ahead and download it because I really want to use it. And like that, it's been downloaded. All right. So what else can we do? Let's create a video. Let's create a landscape video. Now we've got this avatar right here. We can choose from a myriad of other avatars, different looks for each and every avatar. Let's change this guy's look a little bit. You can type in the script right here, or it can create a script for you. Now, a beautiful new option that HeyGen has, tutorial, right? Hey, brand new HeyGen vid. Link in the description. You can upload audio. You can record said audio. You can, add a different scene in the next video. Let's say it turns into Joe for whatever reason. And if you want to transition between these two scenes, you come in between them, you press, and then you add a transition. And you can, choose if you want to add a sound effect. It behaves like your Adobe Premieres or your DaVinci Resolves or whatever editing software you want to use. I just put these two videos together, edited a transition. You can include scripts. You can have it generate a script for you, but I believe that falls under the more nuanced parts of it. Anyways, they fall under the paid plans, and you can see that the HeyGen tutorial is also going to be ready in a few minutes. This one takes a few minutes because it's longer and it has two different avatars with a background. But yeah. So I have this quick AI avatar video that we made in minutes that you can just create, download.
Welcome to a brand new video. Today we're exploring HeyGen.
And that's all on the free tier as well. And I want to show you this final video is done. Let's check it. I don't know what they're going to say because I can't remember, but let's see.
Hey, brand new HeyGen vid, link in the description.
So there you go. We just created an avatar, created an account, which, by the way, use the link in the description below in order to create your own account and make your videos using your own avatars in a matter of minutes.